Using a WordPress website, you know exactly how to access the admin login page of any WordPress website. All what you need to do is add wp-admin at the end of your URL. Take note, you are not the only person who knows this. Hackers and bots know this as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide WordPress login URL from hackers and bots. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So this is the website I'm going to hide WordPress login URL. So to do that, first of all, I need to log in. So after the URL, I click and I enter /wp-admin. Hit enter. And this brings me to the login page of my website. I just go ahead and enter my username and password. Hit enter. Having logged into the back end of my website, I go over to plugins. Then I click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for WPS hide login. This is the plugin I'm going to install, WPS hide login. It has over 1 million active installations. I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. The plugin is activated successfully. I can go ahead and click on settings under the plugin, or I go over to settings, then I click on WPS hide login. So in here, I go ahead and enter my secret login URL. I can enter anything in here. It shouldn't just have to be wp-admin. So I can go ahead and keep this login right here, but this particular one too is easy to guess. So take note, once again, it can be anything. So I go ahead and enter my PL. My PL means my perfect login. So this is what I'm going to use. Next is redirection URL. When users try to access the wp-admin, it will redirect them to 404 page. So I go ahead and click on save changes. Now if I open a new browser in a private window, then I enter my URL /wp-admin, hit enter. You see that page not found. And that's the 404 page. One thing I can also do is that I can decide to redirect them to a particular page on my website. So going back, under the redirection URL in here, I can redirect them to the shop page of my website. So I just enter products and I click on save changes. Take note, products right here is the shop page of my website. So in your case, it can be anything. So if I go back to the private window, then I go ahead and add wp-admin, hit enter. You see that it has taken me to the shop page of my website. Now I exit from here. One important thing I want to outline here is that make sure you write the URL down so that you will not forget it. It's very important. So in a situation where you have forgotten your URL, how can you log into your WordPress website? The easiest solution is to go to your web host account. Then you head over to the plugins folder of your WordPress installation. In there, you'll find this particular plugin. Just simply delete it. Then come back to log in with the wp-admin. From there, you can go ahead and install this plugin again. So now let's try this URL in a new private window. So I enter the URL of my website and I add my PL, hit enter, and you see that it has taken me to the login page of my website. So that's it on how to hide WordPress login URL. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.